Bharatanatyam is the oldest dance forms of India. Its references can be traced back around the 2nd century. The Shiva temple of Kanchipuram that is decorated with carvings dating back to a period between 6th to 9th centuries CE hold key referential features of the postures or karanas that we say, which form the very basic of this dance. It was nurtured in the temples and courts of southern India since ancient times. Later, it was codified and documented as a performing art by four brothers known as the Tanjore Quartet, whose musical compositions for dance form the bulk of the Bharatanatyam repertoire even today. The following repertoire is Pushpanjali, Jhem Jhem, set to Ragam Aravi, Taram Adi, which is considered to be an invocatory item, offering prayers to Vignaharta Ganesha to remove all the obstacles. I would call upon the stage the participants Ashna, Nehal, Arya, and Snigdha.
Jhem jhem tadanata jhem jhem tadanata kundari kitataka kukundari jhem jhem tadanata jhem jhem tadanata kundari kitataka kukundari jhem jhem tadanata jhem jhem tadanata kundari kitataka kukundari jhem jhem tadanata jhem jhem tadanata kundari झेम